Americans and the Canadians are finally getting together for the same, I'm sorry, I'm French, I'm trying to find my words, for the same purpose. And I'm so happy that we could finally get together to do this. Freedom!
I ain't leaving. I'm not leaving. Not until this tyrannical government gets back into line and pulls its head in. They're mistreating the public. They are completely out of control with these mandates. And I don't even like calling them mandates, they're dictates. So I'm here and I ain't leaving until they back down. Peace, love, freedom for all.
In a way, ironically, we have to thank Trudeau because his attempt to separate us has brought us together. And we're going to get him out of there because he's going to go to where he deserves to go. But thank you, Trudeau, because you have brought us together and we're here to take back our freedom that you've been attempting to take away from us. Pat made an announcement the night before we had the convoy to the airport, and he said, we're going to go do some freedoming tomorrow.
I don't think he's getting rid of us. And you know what this really is? This convoy is a tool that God is using to break our country free. When the church sat on its hands, God has raised up a convoy of truckers to bring freedom, righteousness, and integrity back to the Canada that we used to know 40 years ago. That's what God has done here. It's to His glory.